Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add color balance in Blender video editing. So let's jump right into the video. What you have to do, just select the video, and here we have strip, we have tool, we have modifiers and proxy. Please select modifiers, and from here you can add a modifier and select color balance. From here you can play with bright and contrast. So that's how you add color balance in Blender video editing. I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials and like this video. And if you have any other questions related to Blender video editing, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.